Mathomo maya mokite o riri mawakiri amwe aria maratungatira muingi thabari-ini cia gwetha ihoto mekirirwo cuke guku bũrũri-inĩ kumana na ciiko cia kwaga wĩigĩrĩrĩki ta uria muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjũ ĩno Wambua Kituku atariirie.
The curriculum is designed to enable us train the advocates of the 21st century. It is meant to ensure that the advocates who go through our program emerge from it with the skills and the tools they require to practice effectively as lawyers.
Kajuno yugite rungu rwa mutaratara uyu mweru wa guthomithia mawakiri uria gukorwo ukirugama ithenya-ini ria uria ukoretwo ukihuthika kuma mwaka wa 2009 nginyagia mwaka wa 2018 ukuhuthira njira cia kiriu kumanora ta gutigirira ni magia na mitugo ya wira itari no cuke niguo kuhe hinya njira cia gwetha kihoto na oho kuhe ruhonge rwa cirithania mwihoko.
As I said, is distinguished from the training that lawyers go through in universities, in the sense that the core focus will be on the skills that lawyers need to practice effectively in this country. How to draft documents, legal documents, how to analyze legal problems, articulate those problems, advise their clients. And it is targeting not just lawyers in the private practice, but also lawyers, advocates who serve in other realms, like in the public sector.
Quality 10 years ago might not necessarily have been bad quality. It's just that we want to ensure that we have a better quality. There's always room for improvement, and that is what we are seeking to achieve. So we've had good training, we have robust trainings. Of course, there's been concern about whether all our advocates have been able to meet the master in terms of the quality of advocacy that we expect. That is a discussion that is a worldwide conversation.
Hamwe na maundu maria mekirirwo muno mutaratara-ini uyu mweru wa guthomithia mawakiri uria uruguriirio mwena wa Naivasha ni gutigirira o wakiri kiumbe ni agia na wĩigĩrĩrĩki wĩra-ini wake na ni akuwa mutharaba wake kiumbe riria aga gukinyaniria wĩigĩrĩrĩki uyu.
The question is the nature of the advocates that we want to have. Would they be able to respond to the market today in the manner and shape in which the clients would expect them?
Mawakiri manorotwo ni gutunya mbeca andu manahota macira mamarugamireire na makarihwo na eni macira maya magatigwo matari na kihoto na uguo gucina mbica ya mawakiri.
You may think that today you've gotten a client you've taken advantage of, but in not too long, the authorities will catch up with you. In not too long, the informed clientele, social media will catch you up, and really that would determine the end of your...
Kiribotera Inoro TV, Jitago Anigige Wanyamu.